St Nicholas Church.
And what are we doing?
We are looking at the wonderful We Are Gathered Here art installation, which has been put together by the students from Gloucestershire College, art students, and using the research that's done by Gloucestershire Family History Society, and the whole thing is a good partnership between these two organisations, us at Cathedral Quarter, the Civic Trust and Folk of Gloucester, and with some funding from Voices Gloucester, and obviously the funding that we always have for the Cathedral Quarter from Historic England. So a really good all-round partnership working.
So I'm Mark Waters from Gloucester Civic Trust.
And what are you doing here?
So I'm one of the organisers for this event. So it's a great opportunity to bring art and history together. So the fantastic research that's been done by the History Society is here alive thanks to the fantastic art students at the college. So there's some really interesting ones, like the Lion Tamer is one of the best ones, in my opinion, because the character behind the story is that he was working as a assistant lion tamer at the Theatre Royal, which used to be the pound stretcher, and one day he tried to move the lion without being allowed to, and the lion ate him. So it's an interesting way to go, and a really interesting story, and the students really brought that to life. So just a fantastic example of one of the 91 different cutouts that we've got here and all their different stories. It's taken 2 days to put it together, and we've had so many different variations of how we're going to display it, but I think when you come down here you can really see the amazing stories that are held in these cutouts.
Conodix.
And what did you do here?
I did like a silversmith one.
Which one's that then? Show me.
It's over here. I made this one. He's called William.
And are you a student in Gloucester?
No, I'm a student at the Cinderford campus.
Okay.
I'm part of the Gloucester College, yeah.
Okay, do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoy it, yeah.
Excellent work.
Hello, I'm Isabel from the Church's Conservation Trust. I'm here tonight for the We Are St Nick's event. We are featuring lots of artwork that have been created from students from Gloucester College, and we are having them here. They're telling the stories of the people that lived in Gloucester. So tonight we're celebrating that event.
Hello, my name's Margaret Reed and I own a company called Margaret Reed Display Solutions. We're based in Woodchester and we're a factory that manufacture lots of products, specifically display products. And we were asked by Nick's Timber, who is a customer and also a supplier of ours, to see if we could manufacture these cutout displays, and we were delighted to be part of that and be involved, because actually I went to school in Gloucester, so to be able to see the finished article is just incredible. It's definitely going to be one of my favourite things to have done.
One of your highlights?
One of my highlights, yes. Thank you.
This is like the big bit here is like the laces, and then in the laces we've done like the process of making the boots and like the timeline of the boots that when he was around, and the background's just like Victorian wallpaper to fill it in, and that's the date he was born with stuff from the Victorian era.
Brilliant.
I'm David Evans. I'm the City Growth and Delivery Manager at Gloucester City Council. It's fantastic to be here, a glorious venue, and it's great collaboration between Cathedral Quarter, Historic England, the Civic Trust, and so many other partners. It's a wonderful evening. Really congratulations to the college for putting off a fantastic show.
It's great to be here today in St Nicholas Church at the bottom of Westgate Street, surrounded by all these beautiful mannequins, if you like, done by students in Gloucester College, and I think you'll all agree they're fantastic, and thank you very much.